So, God has worked some things out here, boy. I believe I finally got this fixed. I've been washer and dryer has been acting up for a while, and I got a chance to order the part for the washer. I had to fix the suspension rods, and one of the hoses was having problems, so I replaced that. The washing machine was good. Then the last task was the dryer. Now the dryer is a different type of beast because there's a lot of components in there that can go bad. So I had to pull out my multimeter and go through. You can see my multimeter there, a little cheap multimeter, but I had to go through and try to check continuity on everything. Had one piece that actually did break, so I replaced that, which was one of the thermostats. So, but that still didn't fix the problem. So if you have an Amana, whirlpool, I think Kenmore's, it's a few of them that fall into this category. Most of the time, it may be this timer. You wouldn't think this timer would be this tricky, but this is the inside, and what happens is when you turn that knob, all of those little plates in there, they touch each other in certain ways, and sometimes they're not making good contact. So what I had to do was just go in and bend some of them. So I believe I got it right. I did actually get it fixed last night, but the problem I was still having then was, first of all, my dryer was heating again, which was great, but I couldn't get it to cut off. So unless I opened the door, it wasn't cutting off at all. So, and I had to go look at the schematics. You can see the schematics right here. Yeah, so when it's in the end of cycle, you'll see the TX is supposed to be closed off. T2S is supposed to be closed off. So my problem was T2S wasn't closed off, and that's just two in the back. So what I had to do is go ahead and bend those to make them touch when they're supposed to. I think this is fixed, so I'm gonna try it out. I'll let you know the results. Hey, sometimes, you know, you just gotta do things on your own. With God's help, you can accomplish anything. So part that I bought for the dryer was $25. This timer, if I replaced it, it would have been like $85 to $100 for the part itself. So might be helpful just to open it up and try to fix it yourself. So if you got a timer issue and you feel like it's not heating up like it's supposed to, this might be the main problem. But still in all, start with the other components first, because you got quite a bit in there to test. All right, this is Norman Williams, aka Just a Norm, doing a little something different this time. All right, take care.